Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you're there? Or spent your morning rereading the same email 4 times? In the US, we call it brain fog, but it's actually a physiological defense mechanism triggered by one hormone, cortisol. If you're feeling wired but tired, your brain is literally being bathed in stress chemicals that block memory formation. Today, I'm giving you a 3-step brain fog fix, 3 daily habits that scientifically lower your cortisol and sharpen your memory in as little as 7 days. Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to the channel now. And if you are already subscribed, then thank you so much. Let's get started. Habit number 1, the optical reset, the science of morning light. Habit number 1 happens before you even touch your phone. You need 10 minutes of direct sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Why? Because viewing early morning light triggers a healthy, timed cortisol pulse. By getting this spike early, your brain signals the body to start a countdown for cortisol to drop 12 hours later. Without it, your cortisol stays flat and high all day, which is the #1 recipe for mental exhaustion. Skip the screen, get to a window, and let your eyes tell your brain it's time to be sharp. Habit number 2, the magnesium break. Next, we have to talk about the magnesium drain. When you are stressed, your kidneys literally flush magnesium out of your system. Magnesium is the brake for your nervous system. Without it, your brain stays in a state of high alert noise. To fix the fog, you need to replenish with magnesium threonate or glycinate in the evening. Threonate is unique because it's the only form that efficiently crosses the blood-brain barrier to directly calm neuroinflammation. It's like clearing the static off a radio station so you can finally hear the music. Habit number 3, the 5-minute box reset. Finally, habit 3 is your midday emergency kit. We're going to do 5 minutes of box breathing at 2 p.m., the exact time most people hit a wall. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. This isn't just breathing, it's a manual override of your vagus nerve. It physically forces your heart rate to slow down, signaling to the brain that the threat is over. This clears the neural pathways in your prefrontal cortex, allowing you to actually think again instead of just reacting. So I will say this, which of these will you try tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to fix that cortisol belly we talked about in the last video, click right here. Stay healthy, ZenUp family.